beneath the collar. SK's the best way, never mind the bollocks. It's not complex, my philosophy's to spit lazy like teens who drop their T's and bring a new wave. Nothing like what you've seen, singing UK's mine, yo, fuck the Queen. Countdown to take over, ready to blast off and snatch the rap game like we did with rock. Spearheaded by SK till we hit the top, and I'm a white icon like Mr. Soft. Repping the place where even the upper middle class are fucking up more parties than the Criminal Justice Act, and most don't get near the way we spit it. Everybody make room, cause here come the British.
I've been budget lean, munching hubba bubba cheap chuddy just so I've been puffing budget lean.
Last award, best team. Here's the final two, black and yellow. Yellow team.
Secluded, two-faced, and stupid two-paced. Bottom mouth like the use for toothpaste. It's a crew place that we're based in.